Hagasi bar jagatayo u MLA jagaseng BJP bar AL hek ulabo jikali ek Sorkar jala halor ke jing pasage no jongka ya ke jingte ya ke Shillong Medical College habai klem kila pathai khubor bar AL hek ulai thu bahak por jong u gu menteri ke tana ka koi ka khia ka jing Pynslem kam chimna dei na ka company ka KPC group kablai te bante ya ka college Hynrei ke jing Pynslem ka dei hi na kaliang jaga Sorkar jala bad na kaliang ka tana ka koi ka khia.
Don't understand why they want to scrap the project. The first place is the delaying is not from the KPC. During my time also, delaying is just from our side only, from the government and from the health department. We could not hand over the land to them. They have agreed the land will be there. In principle, they have agreed the land from the Mauprem, that's from Shillong city, to be shifted to the new Shillong, that is in the Saudi. They have agreed in principle. So that property also we could not hand over to the KPC. How the KPC will start their works?